Kubor ka Batisi TV. Wanrah sepi da ka singam beats aqua na molai moro hakajingdap sansnem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Loan So Po Shillong. One bantiet ya ka kali Datsun ready go bathamai ka bas bat bidor.
Undang ilam kaliang Pyrshah u Dr. Mukul sangma ula Wanrah da ka no confidence motion Pyrshah ya ka Sorkar ka balayalam da u menteri rangba u Konrad ki sangma halor ka nongrim baka ne ka Sorkar jong u Konrad ka laphel haki babon ki liang bat kamla satya ban penyaj baik jai renti ya ka sanchar khadar haka jella ya ka tai ka NC lasoi de ki khatwai ngut ki MLA ka liang Pyrshah ki bakanthum ya uba Himalaya Muktan Shangpliang uba proses ti saukme ka miani di shira bat kiwai pan ulampang ki yeng dorbar thau ain uba medba lingdo ulapen bena hapo ki yeng dorbar bayakani ka NC Ïatai thir ha ka dorbar ka banlong lasai ka sngi ka khatwai Tarik u Naiwieng arajar arpho.
I would like to inform the House that I have received a notice of no confidence motion dated 10th November 2020, tabled against the Council of Ministers, headed by Sri Konrad K. Sangma, which was submitted by Dr. Mukul Sangma, Sri Zenith M. Sangma, Sri W.D. Sangma, Sri P.T. Saukme, Sri H.M. Shangpliang, Srimati Dikanshi Dishira, Srimati Miani Dishira, Sri George Bilindo, Sri M. Rapsang, Sri Kim Pharma Banyang, and Sri Lazarus Sangma. I will read the content of the letter. Dated Shillong, the 10th November 2020, to the Commissioner Secretary, Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Shillong. Subject: motion expressing one of confidence in Council of Ministers led by Sri Konrad K. Sangma. We, the undersigned members of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, on the Rule 133 with subsection 1 of the Rules of Procedures and Conduct of Business in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, submit the following motion. Whereas the Council of Ministers, led by the Chief Minister Sri Konrad K. Sangma, has failed to address multiple and critical issues affecting the well-being of the people as a whole. And whereas the Council of Ministers, led by Sri Konrad K. Sangma, has failed to protect the interests of the state as a whole and failed in all fronts. Therefore, this House do now express its one of no of confidence in the Council of Ministers led by Sri Konrad K. Sangma. Yours faithfully, signed number 1, Dr. Mukul Sangma, number 2, Sri Zenith M. Sangma, number 3, W.D. Sangma, number 4, Sri P.T. Saukme, number 5, H.M. Shangpliang, number 6, Srimati Dikanshi Dishira, number 7, Srimati Miani Dishira, number 8, Sri George Bilindo, number 9, Sri M. Rapsang, number 10, Sri Kim Pharma Banyang, and number 11, Lazarus Sangma. Now, as per Rule 133, subsection 3, the motion has to be supported by at least 10 members to be admitted. So the members who are in support of the motion may please rise in their seat. Since at least 10 members have supported the motion has the leave of the House to be admitted. Therefore, the no confidence motion is admitted with the leave of the House, and I will fix the 11th of November 2020 at 11 a.m. for disposal of the motion.